For Arrowhead Warhawks, number 2, Nick Gaylor. Number 7, Brady Carpenter. Number 10, Carter Scott. Number 12, Braden Laypen. Number 13, Braden Ramus. Number 15, Jack Robinson. Number 16, Tanner Bolden. Number 18, Ben Wellington. Number 20, Matthew Jordan. Number 23, Gregolopoulos. Number 27, Dalton Moss. And number 28, Josh Gilroy. Starters, for the Warhawks. Leading off the center field, number 1, Issei Takahashi. Number 6, Brady Beck. Third field fielder, number 21, Cam Carter. Batting fourth, designated hitter number 8, Yamato Takahashi. Batting third baseman number 5, Jacob Lopecki. Batting sixth and first baseman number 4, Sam Walker. Batting seventh, the shortstop, number 17, Brendan Foley. Batting eighth, the catcher, number 33, Jake Campbell. Batting ninth, the second baseman, number 3, Ross Whitney. On the mound for the Warhawks, number 13, Peter Russo. The Warhawks head coach, Elizabeth Brengos, assisted by Christopher Beard.